think that's part of the trail.
Did you go down with it?
Oh fuck yeah.
You went with it? Huh.
You guys fishing?
I think this is an all hands on deck thing. I'm not sure. Did you try to ride down that pipe after you crossed?
I landed on that pipe with my back and then the bike landed on me.
Huh.
I shut the gas off, the headcock off.
I know EPA would be very upset with you. I don't think you're not gonna be able to ride, Chris. Well, you got that pipe on your wheel. You might be able to. Not that pipe. The other pipe.
Yeah. I landed on the pipe. And then the bike, I landed on my back.
Can we go that way and then exit up?
I don't usually ride right here. So I don't know the way out. Man, what do you do when you're in here? I think we got
Up there looks pretty good.
So I was looking at an open hole and a piece of plywood on an angle. And that's...
So is this thing, you were here the whole time then, just chilling?
Oh, this is from my freaking sprocket or something. Yeah, I was
Chris is back. You know, I think you got out quicker than you would have by yourself.
Anybody got a hanky or paper towel or Kleenex or anything to bottle with?
I think I do. Hold on.
Oh, you scared all the frogs.
Again, I use these goggles for riding. I have other goggles for swimming.
They all popping their heads up.
What's going on? Dude, he's clear. He's out of here.
You know what? I think it's my Camelback I'm thinking
I
of.
have to use rubber instead. Sorry. You want that?
No. Sorry.
No problem. Thanks. I'm gonna start picking my way back to Eric's, see if I can figure it out.
Yeah?
So I would like to know where the exit.
End already?
I'd like to know where the exit stage right occurred.
He said that he wheelied off this diagonally.
Well, the plywood got moved.
Oh.
He went diagonal.
So went over there.
Look at the moss up a little bit. I think
Oh, and then fell down that way.
Oh yeah, I definitely.
Very impressive.
Let's do it again. And then I landed on the pipe, on my back, with the bike on top of me. And I was pinned. I slid down.
Oh, there's the white mark.
Oh, yeah, you can see the skid mark down the pipe.
That's why you wear so many though.
That fucking hurt. Thanks for getting the bike out.
Definitely worse.